Top of the morning to you all. Happy New York Open. Happy New York Open. We had a little bit of a move today. We are going to talk about the move. We're going to talk about what I'm looking to do. We're going to talk about my current long trade, where I'm long from, how I got into that long. Before we do that, I just got to let you guys know, man, today's going to be a shorter stream, okay? Maybe 30 minutes. And then I'm going to bounce. Dude, yeah. MTC needs to change her stream time. I'm with you. Trust me. Good morning to all that are in here. Hope you're all happy, healthy, wealthy. Gamer, Kalechi, Mohammed, D-Gen, Brian, Josh, Jamie. What's up, brother? How are you, Jamie? Good morning to all, man. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you guys didn't get obliterated by yesterday's move. Let's talk, baby. Let's talk. Let's talk Biddy. Little Hans Zimmer in the morning, and shit, it's gonna be a short stream, guys. It's gonna be a short stream today. It's gonna be a short stream. So I'm long from here. I'm long from right here. Yesterday in the Nexus, I told everybody as we came down again for like the third time that we obviously have all of this sell side liquidity that we could take, that we have our Nexus zone right over here, ready to go, ready to rock, our Nexus zone, and that we're looking too long if we come down here. And obviously we came down here. This happened at 7 a.m. for me, so I was not quite awake yet, but we had a move down. We had a nice wick, and yeah, I longed from right over here. I'm long from right here. Okay. I already realized the profit, and now we're waiting to see what happens next. Okay. Yesterday, I finished stream, and I said that I think that Bitcoin could make it to 116 today, which was yesterday. And when we said that, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, we were somewhere up here. When did we get off stream yesterday? Maybe like somewhere here. And we didn't quite make it to 116, but we did pump another, you know, $2,000, $3,000, $1,000, however much it was, off the top there. And then we rolled over, okay, for like the 10 millionth time. Very frustrating, very annoying. This week is very annoying price action, I must say. Very, very annoying price action. So this long is, we had inducement on this block. 1, 2, okay, we had a nice zone right here, our Nexus zone. In fact, there is another zone below. If we do make it to, we will look to try it along again. All of my longs, I'm targeting 116. Once 116 gets taken and we effectively take our range high, we are looking for potentially, not for sure, potentially there are swing shorts here. Swing shorts here. Okay, so that's something to note as well. But I have no shorts at the moment. I'm only in a Bitcoin long, and I don't even have any plans for a Bitcoin short at the moment, because we came down, we got a nice liquidity grab, we hit our Nexus zone, and Bitcoin now is obviously, you know, just kind of bitching up here. You can't really short the bottom. I mean, you can, but it's gonna not work out for you more than it will work out for you. So I have no shorts here, and you know, if we go higher, then I will be looking for shorts in, you know, either this zone, this zone, this zone, this zone. Sounds like I'm saying the zone. I will look for shorts in one of those zones, but for now, I have absolutely zero shorts there. Zero shorts. So I'm only looking along. Okay. Only looking along. We'll see what happens. Okay. We'll see what happens. I'm probably not shorting here. Market associate, you took a break. Honestly, bro, like that's a good ass idea. Kick formation says you missed the Nexus. Come back, man. I'm ready to serve you, bro. We've been pretty spot on lately, to be honest. You know, we've been pretty spot on, I have to say. Like, I haven't really missed. On Monday, I didn't think we were going to get the pullback that we got. But, I mean, even last night before I went to bed, you know, I told everybody. Hold on. So, like, okay. Right, Sol is in one of two long zones. Sol actually bounced off the lower one. Here, Bitcoin is my preferred scenario, that we come down and we sweep the low, which is the green box, our Nexus zone. This would be your zone on Doggy, which we came in on Doggy Coin as well. And I said, this is your very important supply. Look what I said. Look what I said on USDT Dominance, okay? I said everyone gets a tag. Like I did an at everyone tag for that one. I said USDT has very important supply just above us, which could lead to our large reaction. This coincides perfectly with the lows that we have across the board. Watch this carefully. And this, it doesn't have to happen right away, and that you could wick out this high. Look at this text. No wick equals beware of the SFP of this high. See, no wick on the high, beware of the SFP. What happened on USDT dominance? This was the zone right here. And very clearly, you can see that you SFP'd it. Just like we said. So, man, if you're interested in the Nexus, come join us, man. Come join us. Okay, I'm not always right. I don't pretend to be, and I never will be always right. But I am mostly right. Okay, most of the time, I do pretty all right in there. And, you know, come join us. Come join us. So, what I'm looking for now, basically, is I would like USDT dominance to come and hit 5.02%. I would like it, as you can see by my picture this morning in the Nexus, we did our stream. I would like this to roll over here in this breaker. Okay, and then from here is your make or break or mob zone. I just made a new abbreviation today. Mob, which is your make or break. Okay, and the make or break, I think you could get either this up until this supply up here, or a rollover to the downside. So really, this is where you're going to be either looking for swing shorts or scalp shorts into swing longs, is basically my idea. So we'll have to wait and see how it goes. Yeah, man, and I just take it one level at a time. So if I take something, I will let you guys know. But of course, I must also let you know that all content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Choose an incompetent 5 and 2 3/4 want to be seen non-financial advisor. Crypto is a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real. This is 5 year discretion is advised. I'm very low energy today, guys. I really haven't slept for like 2 days now. I'm super tired. I was gonna not even stream today, but no, I decided we have to stream today. Market safe from yesterday's round trip, dude. The round tripping is insane, bro. Insane. Anyways, if you guys like the content, make sure to hit the like button for me, please and thank you. Let's get those algos firing off. I know I'm a little bit low energy today. Please bear with me. Okay, I will get my energy. I will sleep soon, but I haven't really slept in 2 days, so that's why it's going to be a short stream. I'm Daytoven, if I remember. I remember, bro. Gonna come back, man, after a break. But, man, this market. Dude, it's been very hostile. We're in a very hostile market right now. We're in a very, very hostile market. Extremely hostile market at the moment. So, it's not really great. It's not really great. But it is what it is. Paul, what's up, bro? How are you, my friend? Hope you're doing well, man. Hope you're happy, healthy, wealthy. Solana has so much good stuff going on and more due soon. In terms of like fundamentals and stuff, perhaps. God, what's up, brother? Good morning. So let's go over the long that I took and how I took it. Okay, remember, I don't use golden pockets and such. I actually don't even know if this was a golden pocket. Let me see if it was. No, it wasn't the golden pocket. I don't use golden pockets, but I'll tell you why I longed here. Okay. And I did actually I did actually take profit on that long already, so I'm pretty good on that. But let's talk about this, okay? So here's the deal. We had our reaction, okay? I was not awake for our reaction for this. Even though we called it, I was not awake for it. At that point, I'm like, okay, well, I got to get involved, okay? Now, I knew that I was looking along here. Okay, remember, I don't use golden pockets. To me, that's Mickey Mouse. I knew that I was looking along here. I knew that this zone was either going to hold or not. Funny enough, if you look at your golden pocket, that's at the very bottom of that zone. If you didn't bounce off that, you would have gotten absolutely murked, okay? And then I came on my 15-second time frame, and I used my super secret, top secret entry method in this zone. And the reason I used my 15-second time frame, which I don't typically use, by the way, but the reason I did use my 15-second is because I know that this is a very small zone. It's a very small margin of error, and I know that this is a very aggressive wick. If this wick is going to hold us upwards, this is my zone. You could have even played the 15-second structure and gotten involved right there. Okay, that was a possibility as well. But I didn't do that. I used my super secret, top secret entry method, and I got in right there. I had my stop loss right there. So it worked out. 22 for 22 is my entries. Use like my record using my entry method. 22 for 22 win rate. Okay, so let's see if we can follow this thing and see what's going on with it, because I do want to get involved. So if we take this low out again, I will look to long again. This looks like a clear as day distribution to me into supply. So that's not really bullish. Not really bullish. You need to, the best long, I can tell you guys right now, the best long is if we break this high and then you come back to back test like that. That's your best long. Everything else right now is very aggressive. Okay, you're probably better shorting right now than longing. But if you get this, you'll be good because your structure will flip bullish, right? Your structure is down, up, and break. You'd be expecting higher, low, higher, high. That is your best long trade. And this long, this one here that I just drew out, this one could be a long up to 116K, like I thought yesterday and the day before was going to be. Yeah, I used the MACD, guys. You're right. So until then, you have to get above my red box here. Remember, I don't use golden pockets and goofy shit. And it looks like a distribution, guys. This kind of looks like a distribution. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm not shorting it, at least not now. But we have to wait and see what happens here. Let's see. If I can take another trade, I will. I would like to. I'm kind of interested in this. I'm kind of interested in this zone. Let me go to the 3. I like this. I like this. If we sweep the low and I see what I want to see, I'll try this position. Okay, I will try it. Something like this. For 6 risk to reward. So since I've been streaming every day, I've been streaming every day since Friday, which I know is not a long time. I used to stream every day a little while ago. But now that I'm back to streaming every day, we took 2 trades. We took 2 trades, and both of those trades were winners. And both of those trades were very high win rate, or very high risk to reward winners. So I'm interested in both of these. I'm interested in either one of these 2. Although I don't really like the top one, I prefer the lower one. But let's see. Maybe we can get into a position together. How are you guys doing? Do you think that we're done? Do you think it's time for up yet or no? Last time we were in the Nexus, I was working on the entry model but didn't share it with us in time. Is it ready now? Well, we're working on the entry model together, okay? We're collecting as much data as we can together. And so far, I'm 21 for 21 with the entry model. Yes, like they're very well aware of every step I take now when I'm looking to enter. They are aware of it. But we're like, I'm still working on objectifying rules and such, you know? So we can say, okay, this. I'm still working on that. Come back, bro. Come back. Come back. We miss you. Okay, we might have an entry here. We might have an entry here soon. I agree with you, Paul. Iggy, what's up, brother? Good morning. How are you, Igor? Yeah, that could have been an entry there. It went a little bit quick. It went a little bit too fast, and it didn't hit my zone. So if it doesn't hit the zone, then there's no trade. $98K would be more healthy. I think too many people are watching 98K. I don't think we go to 98. I either think we don't go to 98K or we blow 98K. We blow it out. I think we either go to like, I think we either hold or we go to like 86K. I think 86K is true. It will truly, like, remember, like, okay, who's really going to think that the bull run is over if we drop 10K from here? Right? You're not really going to think that the bull run is over. Or retail, if we go to 98K. If we go to like 80K, then they're going to say, whoa, 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 whoa. You know what I mean? No, I personally don't really care. I literally don't care. If it was up to me, I would send it to 0, but it's not. I don't really care. Yeah, see, there was a potential entry there. But here's the difference, right? Like, if I did my entry here, like, it didn't hit my box. So am I mad about not longing there? No, I'm not, because it didn't hit my box. Ari says, thanks to the Nexus, I passed my 3rd fund day. Geo's the best calls and insane risk reward. Aria! You won't hold it to 0? Man, if we could short it from 126K to 0, dude, I would be the happiest kid in the world. Well, it could be over when we have a macro PO3 and M1D at the highs. Yep. Listen, here's what I said, okay? Here's what I said. You know, after this wick that we had, I mean, we're still kind of just ranging, right? But it is very clear to me, it is very obvious to me that we do not need to come back for these highs. We do not need to come back for those. This could be your top forever. Just being objective. Hold on. Who is calling me right now? So yeah, anyways, it is very evident that we have a model 1 distribution on the high. Like, if I'm being real, we really don't need to come back up to this high. I see 0 reason to come back up for these highs. So am I bold enough to say that the bull run is over? Well, I don't know that, so no. But am I bold enough to say that there's no reason to come back up here? Absolutely. There is not one reason we need to come back up to this high again. Not one logical reason. And I'm talking about real reason, guys. I'm not talking about M2 money supply and all the bullish fundamentalness and, you know, the deflationary value of Bitcoin. All that shit that doesn't matter. I'm strictly technicals, strictly liquidity. There is absolutely 0 reason for us to come back for this high. 0. 0 reason to come back for that high. We'll see, though. Market makers are gay. Dude, 1,000,000,000% with you on that. Man, my thing lately that I've been saying is, like, even the Nexus, I told them the other day, I was like, listen, sometimes we come up with a plan, but then we need to think about what is the absolute gayest way that they will get this plan accomplished, and that's the way that they do it every single time. I'm telling you, every single time. That's how they do it. All right, so when we were down here, we said there might be a long. I didn't actually get that long. It happened way too fast for my liking, but it did trigger a long confirmation on my super secret, top secret entry method. And I'm going to be real. My long entry confirmation would have been right. I have to go on the 15-second time frame. I have another monitor up with the actual thing. My entry would have been right here. Right here. But it did not hit my zone. And therefore, it would have been right there. And therefore, I did not take the trade. Because why would I take the trade? So that would have been 6 risk to reward right there. I did not take that. I am long, but I did not take that. It didn't hit my box. Isn't it liquidity on the side of the high? Wait, what do you mean, isn't it liquidity on the side of the high? Are you saying, is there because of liquidity at the high of Bitcoin? Is that what you're asking, broski? Or siski? Come back, bro. Come back. It's there. It's there in the open for you guys. Yeah, if you're asking like, isn't it reason enough? I mean, yeah, like there is liquidity there. Don't get me wrong, but I mean, you know, at the 2020 whatever top, right? Like on the 2026 top, like or 2021 top, there was liquidity there too, right? Like eventually, and same with the bear market low, right? Like there's liquidity here. Eventually, there's going to be liquidity. All right, so we're popping off now. Man, I wish I took that long. Man, I wish I could go back in time like 10 minutes and take that long. Okay, so now we're, depending on what happens here, we're in our make or break zone. Let me actually just tell the Nexus real quick that it's time to take profit. I have de-risked my long here as we are approaching the make or break zone. Looking for new trades. Will update you. PS, I am on public YouTube, so come hang. Okay, Nexus knows what's up. Nexus knows what's up. All right. Man, I wish I took that long. This one right here. You guys saw me say, I'm like, yo, we might have a long here. Damn. Okay, let's go back in. Let's see what mistake we potentially made. I was looking for the breaker. This is... I wouldn't have taken this long, honestly. Like, hindsight is 20/20. You could have said that's your demand zone. I wouldn't have taken that long. I wouldn't have taken it. It's not... Objectively, it's not a good long. I don't care that my entry would have been like this. And my stop would have been here, and that would have already been, you know, 8 risk to reward. It's not, that's not a long for me. So hindsight is 20/20. Just because it's a winner doesn't mean it's a good trade, right? We take good trades. This is very important supply that we just hit. What happens here is very important. Let me tell you which candle close I need to see here. Candle just closed. That's interesting. Very interesting. I don't want this anymore. Actually, that might still happen, but I'll just keep it off the screen. I don't really... We need to see how price action develops here. If this is gonna be bullish, we need to hold, like, I don't want to come back in. I don't want to come back in if we're meant to be bullish here. I do not want to come back in. There's no reason to come back in. Like, they need to hold, they need to push it up now. Otherwise, this can easily do this. Easily. Now, I will be prepared for other positions if we do come down. I will look to long that. But it needs to push up right now. It needs to push up right now. If it's going to be bullish, I don't even want it. I don't want to get another entry. Like, I want it to just move right now. It's a good time to de-risk if you're long. What's my alert on Dogecoin doing? So I'm looking for an ETH long here too. We're not quite there yet. Solana's looking not bad. Sol's looking not bad. Damn it. I missed this one. Fuck, we should have traded Sol. Did my alert not go off? I don't know if my alert didn't go off for that. I don't know, man. I don't know. We only take good trades in here thanks to the nexus of 100% win rate. Guys, we do not have a 100% win rate. Okay, Arya is not even in the nexus, okay? Arya is not even in the nexus. We got Crypto Face in the chat. What's up, broski? How are you doing? How are you doing? Dude, what do you think about this PA, bro? Tell me this PA is not super gay as of lately. All this round trip and shit. What is my return on initial investment monthly? That, my friend, is a question for not me. That is a question for... You got to ask the Nexus that. I don't pay anything to be in the Nexus. I get paid to be in the Nexus, so that's not a question for me. Wherever it goes, it's going back to where it came from for sure. Dude, yeah. You know, yesterday, on MC, like, these divergences are insane. You know? Like, this shit is really, like, man, this week, last week, has been so chop, bro. Like, so chop. You know how you've been after your crypto long for, like, ever? Dude, I'm not even after an crypto long. I'm just after a long that I can hold for more than fucking 20 minutes. You know what I mean? Like, more than 20 minutes. Oh my gosh, we're actually round tripping again. Bro, this is insane. I know I said it, but I didn't think that we were going to actually come back here. That's crazy. It's insane. This is insane price action, dude. Man, I'm telling you guys, like, if you want to know, like, if you want to become a better trader, at least lately, this bull run, this is the question you have to ask yourself, okay? Whatever you have in your mind for how you're going to go there, think, what is the absolute gayest way that the market makers can make this happen? And that is the way. That is the way. Just ask yourself, what is the gayest way that they can accomplish this goal? Like, if you're longing here, okay? If you're longing here, you're longing here, and you're targeting here, okay? What is the absolute gayest path? That's what they're gonna do 100% of the time. 100. That looked like a smiley face sideways, like a dead smiley face. That's exactly how it is, man. That's exactly how it is. Just ask yourself, what is the gayest path? You know, maybe do like some gay shit to, like, you know, get in one with the market makers. Like, go buy like a latte. Go put on some rainbow clothes. Go watch, like, I don't know, fucking Sex in the City or whatever girls watch. Maybe you'll be a better trader if you become one with them, man. If you become one with them. Anyways, I'm looking for a long here, but yeah, I really don't like this SFP, man. That's a big reaction to the downside. Look, maybe get some gay maybe get some gay candles here, right? Some colorful candles. Just do some gay shit. You'll become a better trader. All right, I am looking for a long here, though. Otherwise, I want to sweep out this low. The problem is now I don't have a clear target. My target was this high and this, right? As you can see by my position tool. But now that's been hit. So that's not really ideal. To be honest, now for longs, I want to see us come up, break that, and then come back test, and then here's where we long. Now it's like risky to long here. Super risky to long. Question, what is my return on the initial investment monthly? Yeah, again, you gotta ask the Nexus that question, not me, guys. I don't pay to be in the Nexus. But I'll tell you this. Actually, look, let me let me do this. Someone on YouTube is asking what the return is on the Nexus investment. It is not my question to answer. Please reply. Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna find out from the people themselves, okay? We're gonna find out from them. Everyone wiped out from Binance shenanigans. It's more market maker action than ever before. Yeah, man. Like, this cycle is really something. It's really something. I think the whole year, bro. Like, ever since Trump, the Trump stuff, it's been shit ever since Trump. I'm not joking. Like, this entire year, in my opinion, has been a very difficult trading year. CryptoFace, thanks to your course, I was able to pass my 4th funded. Arya, I'm starting to think you're a bot, Arya. CF trades like he carries around his balls in a wheelbarrow. Dude, this guy has balls. That's for sure. He has balls. Prediction. Bitcoin will flip gold. I don't know exactly when. Might take some time, but it will happen. Save the tweet. Fair enough if you think so. All right. Let's see. What is the return? A cheeseburger. Show them the P&L section. 100 risk to reward or 100% possible in a month. If you miss some trades, if you don't, even more. Everything I've gained, the knowledge, the money is happiness. A Mickey Mouse playset. I'm curious on this answer as well. If someone is willing to tag me in person as well. How about you'll get at least 10 to 1 ROI on monthly cost. 2 trades. Guys, these are not normal answers. What are these answers? I don't even understand these answers. Okay, let's go to the P&L section. Okay, and by the way, we do lose. Okay, we do lose. Don't think we don't lose. But you get really nice. You get high risk reward trades here. Okay, we think of it as like a heist. Okay, think of it as a heist. Bro, listen, hold on. Let me answer this comment. This 100 risk reward LMAO. Okay, let me be super real here. Okay, I don't know why I can't put it here. Let me be super real when I tell you this. Okay, I'm gonna be so honest. 2 weeks ago, I made a deal with the Nexus where I'm gonna try to find the Nexus 50 risk to reward across multiple trades. Okay, it's not just one trade, and I found 50 risk to reward on one Solana trade. Okay, one Solana trade, we got 50 risk to reward. The move that took us down to $155. Okay, that was a 50 risk to reward trade that I gave the Nexus. So, objective complete. Now, that was an anomaly. Do I always hit 50 risk to reward? Fuck no. Okay, but you know, the 100 risk to reward LMAO, I understand that it kind of sounds like a dream. But last Friday, across 2 different trades, we had 50 risk to reward. Okay? Again, is that going to happen all the time? No. Is it realistic? Is it sustainable? No. Right? Is it possible? Yes. And I'm not just blowing smoke up your ass. Like, okay, right now, on stream, a few minutes ago, I told you there could have been an entry right here. I didn't take it. It was right here. It was this. Which long was it? It was here. The one that it didn't hit my level. I think it was this. I don't know if it was this one or if it was this one. I think it was this one. And the entry was here and the stop loss was here. And this alone is 10 risk to reward. Okay. Now, again, do you have to be quick for that? Yes. Is it realistic to be, like, is it sustainable? No, it's not sustainable. Right? It's not sustainable. But is it possible? Yes. You know, it's not that difficult. It's not that difficult to get 2 trades maybe. How about you'll get at least 10 to 1 risk to reward on monthly costs. Return on investment. You'll get a cheeseburger. Bro, that was such a bad answer. No, it's not 100x. If I risk 1%, that's 100% a month. Oh yeah, like, oh, but you gotta understand as well, right? You're not putting your entire account on the trade, right? So like, okay, and also the monthly cost for the Nexus is $100. It's also not your entire account balance. So if your account balance is like 10 grand, you don't need to go 10. Like, we're not talking about returning 10 grand to you. We're talking about returning $100 to you because that's what your expense is. So if you risk 1% of $10,000, which is $100, and you get a 50 risk to reward trade, you just made $5,000. So you just 50x'd what your investment was. You know what I'm saying? So I'd say Gio's average risk reward is 20 to 1. No, man, it's not 20 to 1. My average risk reward is probably like, it's like 5+. On average, it's 5+. 5+. Can we get a trade? If I see one, I'll tell you. Now we're in a tough situation because the target has already been hit and we have a pretty big SFP. So if you're going to draw out your structure now looks like this. This is a big problem. Okay, your structure before, it had the potential of doing this if you broke above. That's why this is the make or break zone. So if you broke above it, the expectation would have been higher, low, higher, high for a move to the upside. Because that's an SFP, that might be alluding to us coming down to this low. So if we do come back to that low, then that's not bullish. You actually might be looking for a back test short, but we're too soon for that. Okay, it's too soon. It's too soon for that. So, you know, we have to really be careful here. We really have to be careful here. The picture was a lot clearer a few moments ago, but that now that the target's been hit, it's a little bit hard. It's a little bit hard. I'm still looking for longs here, but you have to be aware that you may potentially be counter trend trading now that we have that SFP. However, for me, the way that I confirm the SFP is I need to get a lower time frame structure flip. So I have low, high, higher, low, higher, high. Higher, low, higher, high, low, high, low, high. So this is the only thing I care about. Low, high, low, high. So if you start closing below here, then I'm going to assume we're going to come down to this low. I'm still going to look for longs though. I'm still interested in this one. If we sweep out that low, I'm still interested in that, but you have to monitor it. You have to watch it. You have to watch it. Because we also have a flip zone going on, but we didn't like we're just ranging. Like we're literally just ranging now. Right? So you have to be very cautious here. But I would like to long. I would like to long. Let's see if I can get us a long. Bro, my sleep cycle is horrible. My sleep cycle is truly horrible. Look, that used to be 2 months, 9 to 5 for me. 2 months. I'm just saying. Nexus all day. Anyway, am I on Finister? I don't know what that means. What is that? CF is the GOAT. CF's got some balls, man. CF has some cojones for sure. For sure. Hair loss medication? I'm not on hair loss medication, but I kind of think I should be. Thinking that I should be. Probably should be. All right, let's see. What do we got going on right now? Price action is 200% gay. Shouts out to Alex of Crypto. 200% gay, broski. Let's see. Let's see what we get here. I want to see this. If we lose this low and I see what I want to see for my entry, I will try it. It's not perfect, though. It's not perfect. There actually might be an entry right now. Too soon, though. Too soon to know. Into your perma bear arc. Feel like I'm a funny motherfucker when I'm not locked in. Yeah. I'm just, guys, I haven't slept in 2 days. Like, I'm just super tired today. I'm super tired today. We might have a long here. I don't really like it though. Do I know White Phoenix? No, who's that? Man, of course I know White Phoenix. Come on now. If you think I'm the GOAT, you should meet my mentor. Of course I know Phoenix. Phoenix and I are homies. Actually, Phoenix and I are working on some shit together. Don't get lazy, dude. I haven't slept, bro. I haven't slept. Oh god, this price action fucking blows. Let's see if I would have had a short entry on that high. Not really. What is USDT doing? So we almost made it to this low. That's interesting. I don't know, guys. I don't know what I don't really know what's gonna happen right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna pretend to know. I do not know what's going to happen right now. I'm hitting the gym. Okay, let's get on the treadmill. I've decided that I'm not hopping back into the market until Geo confirms bear market. Y'all better listen. That is when Geo is going to tear ass. Yeah. Dude, I haven't shorted in a long time, though, to be honest with you. Like, they're just not giving me what I want to see. You know? They're not giving me what I want to see. That's the thing. And I'm tired, guys. Like, if it wasn't for the Nexus, I would just walk away right now. I would just walk away for like a week and I'd come back in a week. Like, I'm fucking tired. Like, Like, this shit is not fun. I am not having fun trading right now. This is fucking horrible. This is the worst, most hostile trading conditions. Nothing about this is good. It absolutely blows in every respect. I don't understand how anybody right now is willingly trading, like, if they don't need, like, I don't need to. If it wasn't for the Nexus, I wouldn't even be here. I would just take a week, 2 weeks and come back. Like, this is brutal in every single way. This fucking, it's not even fun. It's horrible. Horrible. All right, let's see if we can get into a trade. Isn't that so funny that I just went on like that and I just said, let's see if we can get in? All right, I have my finger on the trigger. I'm not pressing anything, okay? I got it. This box, if this box doesn't get hit, there's no trade. And if it does get hit, I need to see what I want to see. Yeah, man, the market is grim, bro. The market is so fucking grim. You said it. That's the best word, grim. It is grim right now. Okay, we have potentially very bullish open interest here. That is a big potentially, not is. All right, let's see. I do not see what I want to see yet. I have my super secret, top secret entry model on the second screen, but I don't see it. It might just move too quick, honestly. What's USDT doing? USDT just swept that high. Okay, USDT actually just hit demand right here. Oh no, it didn't hit it. Didn't hit it. Kind of hit it. Kind of hit it, kind of didn't. Nope, nothing yet. Nothing yet. I want to long it. I want to. Oh god, this price action fucking blows. This is the gayest, like, you know, I have to say, trading ES and NQ is not like this. All right, well, I didn't see what I wanted to see, so if you took that, congratulations. I did not see the entry criteria that I wanted. So, no trade. Anyway, I think that could have been your low. I think that could have been your low. You're also at VWAP? Yeah, I think that could have been the low. What is that at? Let's put a horizontal line. 107,481. I think that could be your low. You do what you want with that information. I am not a financial advisor. In fact, I'm a 5'2" and 3/4 wannabe singing non-financial advisor. Thanks for asking. Let's check Sol. Oh, Sol hit our zone. Okay, let's talk about Sol. Let's just trade Sol. Fuck Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin absolutely sucks donkeys. Bitcoin is super gay. Ain't nothing sexy about Biddy. I wouldn't even be mad if Sol made it down to here. Whoops. Let's see what we see. Let's see what we see. I'm definitely looking for longs on Sol though. Damn, dude. This price action is fucking grim. Absolutely grim. Okay. If we get above here, I'm longing. If we get above there, I'm longing. And I'm going to go entry. And I'm going to go stop loss. And I'm going to go up. And we're going to long it up to right here. So let's put an alert there. And I'm going to see if I can get an entry right now. It's pretty grim though, man. What's USDT doing? I need USDT to lose this red box. This box is not that important anymore, but I need it to lose the red box. Are we about to come for that low on Bitcoin? We might have an entry here on Sol. But Bitcoin needs to hold. Man, this is really, we're getting like really gritty here. We're getting really, really gritty. I don't like this. I don't like this price action at all. Not in the slightest do I like it. Not even in the slightest. This price action is totally grim. Absolutely grim. It's Grim Reaper price action. Do you know what I mean? It's Grim Reaper price action. I am absolutely looking for longs here though. Absolutely. 100% looking for long trades. However, this price action is completely grim. This price action is absolutely grim. Absolutely absurdly grim. This price action is super grim. I would be a good British actor. True story. This price action is absolutely grim. You know what I mean? Broski, what the fuck is this price action? What is this price action? This is price action for fucking homos. If you are enjoying this price action in any capacity, you are a homo. Truly, truly a homosexual. I'm convinced with 100% certainty that you like balls if you like this price action. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. This price action is absolutely grim. Absolutely grim price action. Grim. All right, where's Sol at? So ETH is doing fuck all. I'm not trading ETH. Sol is coming down to our lower box. Interesting. What's USDT doing? Oh my days. This price action is absolutely grim. So this idea now is way out. See you later. This box, peace out. One love. Absolutely fucking grim. This price action is absolutely grim. Dude, I would be such a good British. Wait, what are you guys saying? I haven't even checked the chat. My fucking neck hurts. USDT does not look bullish. Yo, the 15 second is crazy. You have a British girlfriend. I nailed your accent. Absolutely grim. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean, lads? It's absolutely grim. This price action is. Absolutely grim. Crazy grim. It's going down tonight. Tonight it goes down. No. Polo. It's absolutely grim. Listen, Nexus. Nexus, pay attention to Solana right now. Pay attention to Sol. Do what I have taught you. It's absolutely grim. It's absolutely grim. God, this price action is for fucking homosexuals. If you like this price action, you are a homosexual. You're part of the problem. Also, we have 56 likes and 176 people, which means 120 of you are homosexuals. What are you not hitting the like button for? If you're not hitting the like button, then I'm gonna assume you're hitting something else that's gay, like the market being grim. This market is absolutely grim. Let's see. Okay, 20 of you guys are not gay now. Now there's still 100 of you gay lords in here. And you could be gay. I have nothing against gay people. Do I trade levels or order blocks? I trade order blocks and liquidity. You guys are so gay. Oh my days. Oh my days. Should we long Sol? Guys, I'm not even going to pretend to know what the hell is going on right now. I have no idea what's going to happen right now. I have no clue. I have no clue. Couldn't tell you. Couldn't be me. Don't know. Would love to know. Would love to be able to tell you. Have no idea. Maybe we'll talk about... Let's go futures and shit. Oh, man. Wow, look at that SMT. Wow, this would have been an easy fucking short. Oh my gosh, this would have been so easy. What an easy short. Gio, love the channel. But the accent is hurting your British ears. Why? Because I'm the #1 Brit. I'm the #1 Brit in the world. Is that why? Are you mad that I'm the #1 Brit in the world? Wait for the lower box again. I think I'm gonna wait for this. Shall we all fuck off of crypto and trade futures? Honestly, dude, I'm definitely leaning that way. I'm definitely leaning that way. Dude, I feel like a perma bull lately, man. All I do is fucking long. I haven't had a nice short in forever. Like, because we're at the lows of the range. Or nothing like... Yesterday, I did not have a short up here. I mean, I wasn't watching it, but fuck, man. What car do I trade? I trade what car do I trade? What car do I drive? I drive a Tezzy, bro. Actually, Elon drives me. I am long, yeah. I'm long from right here. I'm long from right there. Okay, how long have we been live for? Man, this price action is absolutely grim. It's absolutely grim. Dude, I am the number one most British man on earth, I decided. I could come, okay, this is what I think. I could come to the UK. I've never been in the UK, by the way. I could come to the UK and nobody in the UK, not even one person, would be able to identify that I'm not from the UK. 100% guaranteed. Here's what I would say. I would just be like, this price action is totally grim. Not even one person, I promise you, not even one person would be able to identify that I'm not from the UK. Guaranteed. This price action is totally grim. I'm so good at it. Like, I don't think I'm so good at it. This price action is totally shocking. Mum. Like, I am literally the most UK man on earth. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean, lad? This price action is shockingly grim. Oh my days. I am the most fucking British man on earth. I don't want to trade. I'm going for a gander. 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 Why do Brits not pronounce the T in water? In water. Water bottle. Water. Water. I am truly the most British man on earth. From now on, if you guys ever want my attention, I only respond to the most British man on earth. And every one of those words needs to have a capital first letter. That is the only thing that I respond to from now on. If you do not call me the most British man on earth, I will assume that you are not speaking to me. So, the question that said where to look to long from, ask again. You can ask again. Okay, you can either call me the most British man on earth, or you can call me the most evolved man on earth, because I'm actually both. Tuesday. This price action is totally and completely grim. I am the most evolved man on earth. Yo, someone asked me about the price action. Somebody in chat asked me about the price action right now. I need to sleep, dude. Ask me about me mom. Ask me about the price action. Just say, yo, the most British man on earth. What do you think about the price action? Someone asked me about it. How's the... All right, hold on. Am I drunk? No, I'm not drunk. How's the PA? This price action is totally and completely grim. Oh my gosh. I remind you of your girlfriend. Your girlfriend is the most evolved man on earth. It's kind of gay, bro. Okay. Oh my days. Gio is a baddie. Okay, here, check this out. Okay, listen to this guy. I sound exactly like this guy. Word for word, I sound like this guy. Give us some space, guys. We gotta get right there. Okay. Easy, just. What's that about? That's assault. That's assault. You're in our way. No, he did it. We had to walk. You gotta move out the way, man. What was that? We said move out the way. You gotta move out the way. Fucking little cock. Fuck off back to America. Fucking little moron. Fucking little moron. Easy, just. Lose your fucking bouncers. Cocksucker. Dude, I am the most British man on earth. I am as British as this market is grim. That's the best sentence the best way that I could even explain it to you guys. Truly, not one person in the UK would know. All right, let's check OI, man. Let's see if OI can help us. Let's see if anything can help us, because I don't know if any... We have bullish OI, right? This is what's happening right now, okay? A lot of motherfuckers are shorting right now. A lot of people are shorting right now. Okay? A lot. Which means if we can get above here, these motherfuckers are trapped. There's absorption here. But if we can't get above here and it rolls over, then it's probably gonna fucking die. Okay, so am I here to predict? No, I'm not here to predict. We don't predict, we react. Okay, so if we're reacting, then what does that mean? That means if you can get above here, then things are bullish. If you can't get above here, then this shit might fucking be super dead bearish. Either way, what I can tell you with absolute certainty is that this price action is absolutely fucking grim. Absolutely grim. What's going to happen here? I have absolutely no idea. Couldn't tell you. Let's see if we can use our other tools to try to identify what's going to happen. I mean, shit. Like Market Lifer looks... Market Lifer. Oh my days. I need to go to sleep. Did I just say the word lifer? Yeah, I need to go to sleep. Market Cipher looks like shit. Looks like the market wants to absolutely fucking die. But I like OI better than oscillators. So OI wins. Look how many people are shorting right now. Look how much. So here's the thought process. This many shorts are coming in right now. Like, look at how much more we're shorting. People are shorting. And price is up here. So these shorts are being absorbed at the current moment in time. At this moment in time, shorts are being absorbed. But that doesn't mean that the shorts can't get overrun. Like right now, the shorts are being absorbed. But if the shorts overrule all the limit longs here, then it's going to die. Bro, I'm targeting 116K. I am targeting 116K. I am. Oh, God. honestly, being a fucking bull is exhausting. Like, I don't know how you guys do this all the time. Like, all the perma bulls that have been wrong about alts for 2 years. All the perma bulls that have been wrong. Like, I don't know how you do this. My shorts, whenever I short, I like sleep like a baby. I'm short, I'm chill. Like, we all know that down is inevitable, up is not. Like, longing is fucking like so mentally exhaustingly grim. Longing is so much harder than shorting, dude. Longing fucking blows. I don't know how people just willingly long. Like, this fucking sucks. All right, let's check 2-minute on Sol. Yeah, we might get the thingy right now. You're right. We might get the thingy. Like, I swear to God, man, the perma bulls, I don't know how the fuck you guys do this. It is grim, dude. It is grim. Longing sucks. I want the thingy on Bitcoin. Give me the thingy on Bitcoin. Longing sucks absolute dog water. Longing truly blows. Longing is grim. How do people long all the time? I have no idea. Think about how gay it would be for the market makers to go just below people's stops on longs, then below here, then rip it up to 116. Yeah, I mean, if it does that, I'll just go back in. I'll go back in. I think it was super gay that we even came back down here. If they went to 116 and then now, like, I would have been giga short and I would have been asleep and not talking in British about how grim this price action is. Absolutely grim. This price action is absolutely grim. Harry, I am your father. I am the most British man on earth. I'm the most evolved man on earth. I'm the most British man on earth. And if you don't admit that, then you are absolutely grim. All right, 24-hour stream starting right now. Fuck it, I'm going to sleep. How about my soul short? I am not in a soul short at the moment. Which soul short are you referring to? I'm the best British gay trader. Gio, we want that 31K dog in you. Listen. I believe that the bear market low is 31K. Maybe I'm right. Maybe I'm wrong. Who fucking cares? But what I will say, like, how do we get there, man? We've been down only. We've been fucking around here. Like, can we just hit one? Once we hit 116, I'm open to 0. But let's get to 116. Like, let's fuck up a little bit of bears so that we can go absolutely MC fucking hammer on the shorts. Yeah, see, Slick Shoes got it. Just pop so I can short later. Dude, 100%. Fed reverse repo is empty wallet. Does not have money to gamble. They're going to whale in the small longing fish. Well, here's what I said. I said that I think that this could be your low. And now we're up here. That's all the information that I need to say. Play some of my original music. I'm gonna get off soon, man. I'm tired.
They told him, don't you ever come around. Some people live for the fortune. Some people live just for the fame. Some people live for the power, yeah.
Guys, do you think my stop loss is safe? Let me know.
Some people live
Let me know in the comments.
just to play the game.
What does Randy do? Give me a 1 or yes emoji or 2 or no emoji, whatever. Do you think that my stop loss is safe? Yes or no? Yes or no? Let me know. I need to sleep. I need to sleep. Let me know. Let me put my eye drops in and then get on the treadmill, okay?
I've been there before, but that life's a bore, so full of
To wake up.
the superficial. Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all.
Oh, if it ain't you, baby. If I ain't got you, baby.
Some people want
All right, let's do rock. Who wants? Okay, give me a rock song. Let's go. Rock song. Rock song. Eye drops. That's super gay. Listen, broski. When you have a network of people that's global and you work for that network fucking 24 hours a day, you tell me that you don't need eye drops. Okay? And call me gay for that. Give me a song that you do know, that I do know, not that you do know, that I can sing. Give me a good rock song. Let's do... She's got a smile and it breaks to me. Memory, you never think got a best on into sky. Eye drops for what? It's from my fucking blue, my burning ass eyes. I have blue gogging. Oh my days, I need to sleep. I have blue eye, whatever. I was made for loving you. That's the best song ever. Tonight, I wanna give it all to you. In the darkness, there's so much I wanna do. And tonight, come on, baby! Come on, baby! All right, yo, 3 emojis in the chat. Let's go. And then we'll do a giveaway. Fuck it. I'm in a good mood. Tonight. All right, I don't have my headphones either, but... Tonight, and tonight, I wanna give it all to you. Woo! In the darkness, there's so much I wanna do. And tonight, who took this long? I wanna lay it at your feet. 'Cause girl, I was made for you. All right, ready? And girl, you were made for me. Let's go. I was made. You were made for loving me. And I can't get. It's a little bit high in the morning and I'm sleepy. But we're gonna get it. Ready? And tonight, I wanna lay it at your feet. You heard that crack? In the dark. Yo, Nexus, who took that long on Soul? Did y'all take it? And tonight, 'cause girl, I was made for you. And girl, you were made for me. No, 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 no. I was made. Baby, you were made for loving me. And I can't, baby, lower key. Let me see if I can get a lower key, because this is high right now for me. That shit's high. Okay. Yeah. All right, this one I can sing. This one's better. You TP on the high. I'm targeting 116K. All right, ready? Let's run it back. Tonight, give me tree emojis. I wanna see it in your eyes. Yeah, this one feels better. In the darkness, there's so much I wanna do. I just mixed up both things. Tonight, I wanna lay it at your feet. Girl, I was made for you. And girl, no, I fucked that up. We're gonna run that back. I need my headphones and I need my echo, but whatever. All right, we're gonna do one take, no fucking up. I also need water, but fuck it. Tree emojis, hit the like button. Let's go. We're long, we're strong. Fuck the Bears. Let's go. Tonight, I wanna give it all to you. In the darkness, there's so much I wanna do. And tonight, I wanna lay it at your feet. Oh yeah. 'Cause girl, I was made for you. And girl, you were made for me. Let's go. I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. And I can't get enough of you, baby. Can't you get enough of me? And tonight, I wanna see it in your eyes. Feel the magic. There's something that drives me wild. Let's go, come on now. Tonight, we're gonna make it all come true. When I say, girl, I was made for me. Oh, other way. And girl, I was made for you. Let's go. I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. And I can't get enough of you, baby. Tonight, I wanna give it all to you. In the darkness, there's so much I wanna do. Hey, and tonight, I get you my home. I get you my home. All right. Are we done with that? Are we done with that, lads? Should we do a giveaway? I was made to trade Bitcoin. Mama, is this the real life? Is this just fantasy? Caught in a landslide. Listen. I bought a new MacBook Pro. I bought a new MacBook Pro a year ago. Okay, this is the old one. My vocal chain is on the old one. I need to get my vocal chain from here to there, and then we're gonna start rocking out every day again. I'm gonna work on that today. Easy go, little high, little low. Any way the wind goes doesn't really matter. You guys want me to keep pumping it? All right, then you have to keep listening to me. Mama, just killed a man. Put a gun against his head. Pull my trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life has... What's the words? But now I've gone and thrown it all away. Pitchy, but whatever. Mama, I didn't mean to make you cry. If I'm not back again this time tomorrow, carry on, carry on. as if nothing really matters. Should I keep pumping the market? Keep giving me the tree emojis and I'll keep pumping the market. Ready? Too late. My time has come. Where are the lighters? Get the lighters out. Something in the spine. Body's aching all the time. Goodbye, everybody. I've got to go. That wasn't right, but whatever. Fuck it. We ball, baby. Whoa, whoa, ready? Mama. I don't wanna die. I sometimes wish I've never been born at all. Come on, keep it. Next song. I'm pumping it for you guys. I'm literally pumping it for you guys. Keep it going. Next song. Go, go, go. La, 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 la. All right, this one's going to be hard, but we're going to do it. Fuck it, we ball. I don't have headphones. Tonight, I'm gonna have myself a real good time. I feel alive. And the world turning inside out, yeah. I'm floating around in ecstasy, so that's you guys. Having a good time, having a good. I'm a shooting star leaping through the sky like a tiger, defying the laws of gravity. I'm a racing car passing them by like Lady Godiva. I'm gonna go, go, go. There's no stopping me. I'm burning through the sky, yeah. 250. Oh, that's high, that's high, that's high. Come on, keep it going, keep it going. Fuck it, let's go. I wanna make a supersonic man out of you. Ba, 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 ba. Oh, don't stop me. I'm having such a good time. I'm having a ball. If you wanna have a good time, just give me a call. Don't stop me now. Don't stop me now. Down in the ground at the gravity. I'm a wishing bell. Like Lady Godiva. I'm running through the sky, yeah. I wanna make the speed of light. I wanna make a supersonic man out of you. Na, 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 na. Wait, what was the one? No, which one is the one that I like for this? No. The way you make me feel. Which one is it that I always listen to? Oh my days, I stopped the music and it fucking and it's dumping. Oh my days, oh my days. Which one is it? Is it this one? Whatever. Fuck it. Oh, hell yeah. Come on, let's fuck some bears up. Hey, pretty baby with the... Should we fuck some bears up? I'm in ecstasy. Baby, tell me. Ooh, actually, yeah, let's do that. From 9 to 5. I don't know why I don't have my good version of that one. Let's try this one. I've paid my due time after time. I've done my sentence, but committed no crime. And bad mistakes Oh, I've made a few. I've had my share of ceremonies. Everybody, come on now with me. Let's pump it. We are the champions, my friend. And we'll keep on fighting till the end. That was not on key at all, but whatever. We are the champions. We are the champions. Okay, this song is not doing the job. We're not doing the job here. What are we doing on USDT? Come on, man. We're done with this shit, bro. We're done. We're done. Listen, nobody in this space wants crypto to go to zero more than I do. I promise you. I promise you on my life. But can we just fucking pump right now? Like, just a little bit, dude. Seriously. Like, what the actual fuck? Here, I know what's going to get us to pump. I know. Here's what we're going to do. First of all, we're all going to participate in this one. This is going to make the market pump. Okay? Second of all, I'm going to do a giveaway for the Nexus. Let's do 2 interns. As we're listening to this song, I'm going to prepare the codes, okay? Keep the emojis coming. Keep the likes coming. Keep the pump coming. This is the one. I know that this is the one. Let's do 2 interns. Young man, there's no honor in need. I said, young man, pick yourself off the ground. I said, young man, come on, let's pump it. Underneath to be unhappy. That's when there's a place you can go. I said, young man, when you're short on your dough. I said, young man,
Ways to have a good time.
boom, 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 boom. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. Did it to me. You can hang out with all the boys. Young man,
YMCA.
it's fun to stay at the
YMCA.
It's fun to stay at the And 1, 2, 3, go. Young man, are you listening to me? I said, young man. Da-da-da-da-da-nee. I said, young man. Do-do-do-do. All right, everybody go to this link. Go here. Go there.
No man. Young man,
Go to that link. Get ready.
go there. They can help you today.
It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the Go to that link.
YMCA.
It's fun to stay at the Listen, my stop loss is there. Okay. That's my stop loss. You do whatever you like. You do whatever it is in the world that your heart desires, all right? Because I will tell you something about me. I am the most evolved man on earth. And I am the most British man on earth. On my dead homies. All right? Who's ready for the code? Are we ready for the code? Are you ready for me to go? Are we ready for the code? Oh, this is the one that I wanted. Ah ha 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 ha. Oh, that sounded like the Thriller laugh. Oh my days. Hold on, one more time. Dude, honestly, I am nothing short of like the most blank in the world. Like I'm just the best at everything. All right. Ready for the word? You guys ready for the word? If you don't know, if you're new here, if it's your very first time, make sure you hit the like button, whatever. Go to the link that I just posted, the enter the nexus, whatever, /intern. Okay, go there. Go there and get ready to type in the word that I'm about to send you. Okay, I'm about to tell you the word. This is what you do. Do not pay, please, dear Lord, do not pay for the $500. Go to have a coupon. Go here. It's going to be all capitals. Write what I'm about to tell you right now. Are we all ready? Do we all understand the objective here? First 2 people that get in, okay? It's first come, first served. Please don't open up a ticket after and say it didn't work because then somebody beat you to it. Be faster. What do you want me to tell you? Do we all understand the rules? Your word in all capitals is YMCA. Go. YMCA, all capitals. Go. Go, 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 go. I don't want Bitcoin to lose this. If Bitcoin loses this, we're fucking cooked. All right, go. Hey, pretty baby with the high heels on. You give me fever like I never, ever known. But I've been loving you. I like the way when you're walking, talk, I feel your fever from miles around. Guys, this pumping is not working at all right now. Way you make me feel, you really turn me on. You knock me off on my feet now, baby. My lonely days are gone. Oh yeah. I like the feeling you're giving me. Just hold me, baby, and I'm in ecstasy. Did we get there? Congratulations to the 2 new Nexus interns. I will see you guys in there. And listen, real quick, head over to your Nexus channels over here, okay? Nexus interns, go to that link. That link will grant you access to the course, okay? Way you make me feel, you really turn me on. You knock me off on my feet now, baby. My lonely days are gone. Oh, yeah. All right. Listen, I'm going to go, but real quick. First of all, thank you guys for kicking it with me. Second of all, I made a mistake today. Dude, as soon as I played stupid-ass Trump's song, we fucking started dumping, dude. Like, are you fucking serious? Should we try one more thing? I should never, ever play Trump again. When I was doing I Was Made for Loving You, shit was good. Shit was great. No, you don't need to put card details. Okay, listen, for future reference, because I do these giveaways all the time. Let me just, for future reference, your ass. Hold on, let me for future reference your ass. Kiss me, baby, and tell me twice you're the one for the way you make me feel. For future reference, okay? We do these all the time. For future reference. Click, come here. Click, have a coupon. See how this has a star? Yeah, this has a star. This has a star. This does not have any stars. If you put the code in, you go whatever, and you go sign up, it'll work. But you have to be one of the 2 people. So if it didn't work for you, it's because you're not one of the 2 people. You got to be faster. Okay? Got to be faster. Pray harder. What do you want me to tell you? Okay, so let me explain this. Okay, let's turn off the singing now. We're done with the singing. Singing was fun. We'll see you next time on the singing. But here, let's just do like this, whatever. Fuck it, we ball type shit. Okay. Does this Nexus intern for people who don't have the Nexus sub? Yes. It is for the Nexus people that don't it's for people. So basically the Nexus intern is you come in for 1 week. Okay. You come in for 1 week. You get booted after 1 week, but you come in for 1 week and you get access to the course, but you get access to 3 lessons of the course. Okay. So like 3 modules. So this is why you need to come for this link, because the Nexus interns don't get the entire course, right? This is the entire course. 6 modules. You get half. As interns, you get half. So you get access to all these. And then you get access to everything else for 1 week. Okay. Anyway. Yeah. You didn't know if it connected to your Discord. If you got in, listen, if you got in, on the top right, under profile, or under account. Okay, I'm not going to show you because I have personal information, but under account, you're going to see this. Okay, you're going to see that. Make sure it says connect with Discord. And then my bot will put you in. Okay, if you have any issues, open up a ticket. Oh, did you win one? You already have the Nexus sub. All right, let's do one more. Okay, we'll run it back. Bro, don't... If you guys are part of the Nexus, don't do this. Oh, my days, dude. Oh, my gosh. All right, let's do one more. Let's do one more. Dude, this price action is absolutely horrid. Like, I don't know what else to tell you. This price action fucking blows. This is so stupid. The amount that we just round tripped, like, you can't even get more than a 1% move. Like, seriously? I'm gonna not trade for the next little while. I'm so annoyed. It's the worst fucking shit I've ever fucking seen, bro. I swear. Okay, we're gonna do a giveaway again because somebody in the Nexus got the internship. Code is YMCA. Go. One more use. YMCA. All capitals YMCA. Go for it. And I'm at break even on everything. So that's it for me. I'm done. Thanks for a good stream. This price action is fucking gay and grim, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.